so today we are going to make an Instagram story post. We're not actually going to post it because I have nothing to post, but I'm just going to show you. Okay, so Instagram stories is Instagram's version of Snapchat. So whatever you post is going to be there for 24 hours. You can post as many as you want, and it'll be a whole series of videos for the last 24 hours. And you'll see up here on the top, look, there's Claudia. Every one of the people you follow, if they post a story, it'll be up there. So if you click one of those, it'll take you to the next and the next and the next. It's pretty cool, actually. It's just another way for you to engage with your followers, and what I recommend you do is post behind the scenes footage, whether it's video, pictures, you can ask polls. There's quite a number of things you can do. Once you reach 10,000 followers, you can start posting links, and that's actually pretty cool. So if you're launching a new product line or you want to get people on your newsletter, you can post your link in there. And then right here, I'm going to show you really quick. This is my actual profile. This is my new profile because my old one, I kind of did something to it that I shouldn't have, and I removed a bunch of ghost followers, and Instagram killed my account, so I had to make a new one. But I still post to it just to try to get engagement back up. That's besides the point. That will be a different video. So up here, I'm going to click right there, and that's the story that I posted yesterday. This is actually an Instagram TV video we uploaded yesterday. So, and that's just kind of like sending out a shout out to everyone that you have new content, and they can click it and they can go ahead and watch it. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click the camera icon. Now I'm going to swipe right and I can get out of it. Now I always get that backwards. So swipe right. Okay, that's difficult. You get the picture. Swipe left and right and you can open and close, okay? So here's the story. We've got nothing going on here. But if you click the picture icon down here, you can choose a picture right there. Right here, you can add a location, mention, meaning you tag somebody and they'll get notified. You can put hashtags in there. I definitely recommend putting hashtags in there. And let me show you a little trick actually. So let's say, well, actually not with that one, because you can do a lot more when you type in just normal text and you hide it. So you gotta find your hashtag mom or whatever. And we can move that around. Now, if you can zoom in and out like that with 2 fingers, okay? So click the mom and then hide it, okay? So you don't have to spam your post with a bunch of hashtags and stuff. You can type in more descriptions, you can change the color, all kinds of stuff. And right here you can change the font, which is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll just get that out of the way. Now right here, so we can do questions, like right here, ask me a question, that kind of stuff. Any number of things here. You can do a countdown. That would be awesome. Like if you have a product line launching and you want to give a countdown and get people hyped up for that, you can do it. That's actually pretty new. I haven't seen that one yet. What else? Just, cool stuff. There's actually GIFs or GIFs. I don't know. Let's just type in wolf. So look at that. You can add GIFs to spice up your posts. Okay. We'll click that button right up here. I'm just gonna move this out of the way. Or here we go. So I'm holding that down and I'm pushing the trash can. And that's not working. Not working. Not the best example. Okay. So when you're ready, you can click send to. You can click my story, close friends only. And the cool thing is, if you have your Facebook business page hooked up to your profile, it will post to your Facebook page's story. So that's really cool. I love the double posting. It saves so much time. So much time. So I'm just going to discard this because I really don't want to send that to my normal profile because nobody's going to know what's going on here. But again, so when you go to your profile right here, you click your icon and you can watch your stories for the day. Now I'm putting my finger on the screen and holding it so it doesn't go. Now if you click here, seen by, it'll show you your statistics, all the people who looked at your story. Right here, promoted. Let me see here. You can click the bars right there, actions taken from this story, link clicks, profile visits. You can see the impressions, all that kind of stuff. It's really useful. When you do polls, which is also super fun, you can see the percentages. It's super fun. Definitely useful information I recommend using. Again, so let's just pick a random post here and we can click this button and we can add it to the story. And that's the way the algorithm works. Like, let's say you have 6,000 followers. Not 6,000 people are going to see every time you post. In fact, Instagram will show maybe 1 to 2% of your followers your posts. And if enough of those 1 to 2% do not interact with your post in some kind of way, less and less people will see it. Unfortunately, that's just how the algorithm works, and it's the same way with Facebook. But you can use this feature to let your other followers know that you have a new post. I have actually spoken to quite a few followers who said that they prefer the artists and businesses that they follow to do this because they know that they're going to miss posts. Now, if you're just a random personal profile, you most likely will start annoying people if you share every one of your posts to your stories. But if you're a business, definitely do it because people want to see that. All right, so that's about it for stories. Let's see what will be next. I think we're gonna do the Instagram TV, so stay tuned for that. See you later. Okay, welcome back, and today we're going to... No, you look stupid doing that.